Hello everyone, welcome to Caltex Academy. If you are new here, my name is Julius. Today we're looking at classical mechanics, question number 2. In case you haven't watched question number 1, I have linked the question 1 in the card somewhere here. Check it out before you continue with this video. Please support this channel by subscribing to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, I've summarized the question in this diagram where we have our P that drives this body upward and R is the normal reaction to this inclined plane. So theta is 30 degrees and this angle is also 30. So this one is Z angle equivalent to 30 degrees. So let's get P. And for us to get P, we need to resolve this force and then this one, which is this one here in the horizontal plane here. So without wasting time, let's resolve horizontally. Now horizontally we have P plus 8 root 3 cosine of 30 degrees must be equivalent to 4 g sine of 30 degrees. So we can collect like term where our P is equivalent to 4 g sine 30 degrees minus 8 root 3 cos 30 degrees. So we know sine 30 is a half, so we can substitute here 4g term is half minus 8 root 3 and cos 30 is the same as root 3 over 2. So we notice that these two and reduce this by 1, 8 goes 4 by 2, 1 by 2, also 2. So when we further simplify, our P is equivalent to 2g minus 4 root 3 times root 3 is 3, so 4 times 3 making 12. And then likewise G is equivalent to 9.8, so we shall multiply here 2 by 9.8 minus 12. This simplifies to 19.6 minus 12 gives us 7.6 Newton. That is the force which is responsible for balancing this body horizontally to the plane. And then the other question is talking about normal reaction also, which is R here. So for us to get this, we'll resolve the same force 8 root 3 in the vertical plane to this, and then also we resolve this one along the vertical axis here, and we notice that the weight of this body or this particle is acting in the same direction with this horizontal force. Meanwhile, the normal reaction is in the opposite direction. So having known this, we can go ahead and resolve vertically along the plane. R is equivalent to 8 root 3 sine of 30 degrees plus 4g cosine of 30 degrees. So if you go ahead and replace sine 30 by a half, then we add it to 4g. Cosine is also root 3 by 2. We can reduce this by 2 goes 1, then by 2 goes 2, and then this one here goes 4. So we notice that our R, which is the normal reaction, is equivalent to 4 root 3 plus 2 g root 3. We can factor out root 3 and we have our root 3 into 4 plus 2g. So our R will be equivalent to, when you simplify this, you get 23.6 root 3. And when we insert this into a calculator, it results into 40.87639905.8. So we can round this, approximating it to 2 decimal places, which is equivalent to 40.88 Newton as the normal reaction to the plane as indicated by our R. Thank you very much for watching. Please support this channel by subscribing, give it a thumbs up and share with friends. See you next time. Bye bye.